Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to see the deleted files on Dropbox. Now if you want to find the deleted files which you have deleted yourself or has been mistakenly deleted by others, then this is the video to find the deleted files from Dropbox. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Dropbox app on a device. So if you have not installed, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Dropbox app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are not logged into your account, then you won't be able to recover the deleted files or also not be able to see it. So this is the home page of Dropbox where you'll see the option of home, files, photos and account. So to recover the deleted files, you just need to click on the option of account, and in the account section here you'll see the option of your name and the gear like icon at the very top right, which is also the settings icon. So if you click on it, here you'll be able to see the options is emails, page views, manage device, camera, uploads and all of it. So this is the home page of Dropbox where you'll see the option of home, files, photos and account, and from here you just need to click on the option of account, and in the account section here you'll see your name, your plan, your storage, device which you're working, and also here you'll see the option of camera, uploads, link, your desktop, signature request. And if you scroll down a bit, here you'll see the option of unlimited device, restore, deleted files, lost or edited files, and Dropbox Rewind. And if you click on the option of 3 free signatures on unlimited device, here you will be able to find the option which helps you to restore the deleted, lost or the edited files from here. So that's it. From there you just need to tap on the option of restore the file which you have recently deleted or lost. So that's it. That's how you can see or recover the deleted file on Dropbox. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.